at Home Depot. We're gonna get the truck. I already put the reservation in. Let's get in here and get this done. Ladies, excuse me. Where do I go for truck rentals? Yeah. Okay. The one right here? Yeah. All right. Yes. We got the truck. Let's see which one it is. That's the one. Alright guys, now starts our 30 to 40 minute drive, which will be perfect because the dock is closed from 12 to 1 for lunch, and the warehouse is closed at 4. I'll explain the whole process of how we went through everything, how we got everything, how we even got to this point a little later. Right now, on mission, we got to get there. So I'll bring you guys back up to speed when we get there. Show you how the process is going as much as I can, and yeah, let's get on the road. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the warehouse. Not what I was expecting at all actually, but happy to be here. Got my paperwork. Imagining I need to go back there to the docks and get loaded up. Yeah, let's get in here and let's get our stage, baby. Wrong building. Gotta go out, follow the instructions. I'm about to go out and go to the right building. It's right next door, but all good. Let's get it. All right. It was literally right next door. It's right here. That's so funny. This is me. That's nuts. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of that thing. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we found our stages. We're now waiting for the forklift to give me a dock to load me up. Once he loads me up, we'll get the stuff on the truck and take it home. I'm gonna get it off the truck. I'm gonna have to take it off like piece by piece. It's gonna take me forever. Luckily, we're gonna go pick up Giz. We're gonna have Mr. Light It Up, Mr. DJ High Key himself, come help us out. Only reason he's not here now is because he's from the other house. 15-footer Penske truck. Is it in the way?
Let me see. Is it out here?
Yeah, it's like right outside this front door.
He's
Okay. All right, cool. Right here.
Once she moves, if you don't mind moving up,
Yeah.
so they can come down and load you. Just don't block the bottom, okay?
Gotcha.
Okay,
All right, can I walk down here? Is that all right?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. There it is. You see it? You see it? Ah. Come on. Oh, that is heavy. It ain't going nowhere. I bought straps. These shits don't need no straps. Let's be out before we hit traffic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on now. All right, listen. It's been a trying couple of months, bunch of weeks. You mean a lot of patience was required. But I'll tell you what was even more required. Look at this stuff. The green stuff. A lot of money was required for this. But hey, you know, all's well that ends well. Mission success. Wait till I get this joint back to the crib. Show you guys how everything goes. And we're going to set it up for the first time in front of you guys. You're going to see everything. Let's go. What's going on, guys? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com. This stage took us about 2 good months to get here, to clear its processing, production, inspections, and clearances, etc. And a lot of good money, you know, but we'll save the finer details about all of that for a more specific video. As you guys can see, this video was more so about the retrieval of the stage and our journey in getting it. This stage is 16 by 16 feet, capable of going 1 to roughly about 3.5 feet high. It is 16 aluminum framed plywood stage decks, which are 4 feet by 4 feet, and about 18 millimeters in thickness. These bad boys have a load capacity of about 750 kilograms per square meter. I'll let you guys do the conversion on that. And unfortunately, the camera died before we could set all of the stage up. But we also didn't set all of the stage. We didn't set up the entire stage. We set up a few decks, but good enough for you guys to see a few things. This is actually a separate setup I did of just one stage deck. But I ended up going back to Philly for the Eagles game this day. That night, so that was awesome. Didn't expect it whatsoever, but that was dope. And then let's see, yeah, make sure you got, if you're local in the area, the tri-state area, Delaware, Jersey, Maryland, Wilmington, Philly, Jersey, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware. If you guys are in the area looking for a stage, just hit us up, MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com, baby. See you guys in the next one. This is Zell signing out with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com.